Good morning, everyone. There you go. Rosie. Yeah, sorry, I didn't film anything decent for the introduction this time, so we'll have to get straight to work, alright? Today I'll show you how I made my ROSIE Cosplay from Hazbin Hotel, which is overall a very simple costume. As you can see, the first thing I did was buy a base hat from a party store and used EVA foam to make the base much bigger and just slide it right in place. And then I secured everything with hot glue. Afterwards, I painted with acrylic paint and covered the top part with fabrics. I also added a black ribbon around the edge, and boom, your hat is finished! The dress wasn't any harder. I just used a red tank top I had laying around, and then I sewed a rectangle of red fabrics around the waist, leaving it wide and comfy. In order to adjust the waist part when wearing it, I made a belt with some black fabrics and ribbon. Right, this mini jacket she wears is also very simple. You'll just have to cut a rectangle of your desired fabrics and cut a square shape like this and sew everything together. And last thing was the wig, which was also easy enough. I used my Shanghai's wig and I didn't want to cut it short, so I just put it in an updo and then I styled the fringe area with some hairspray and heat. And my friends, that's it. Hell's Best Girl is done.